Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a Toyota Tundra 4x4 double cab SR5 Plus with the TRD Off-Road Package. This is a 5-passenger pickup truck in silver sky, and under the hood you'll find a 5.7 liter V8 driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on this Tundra includes 2 front recovery hooks. We also got fog lights. We have parking sensors in the front and rear, and you also have a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our panic button, and we're going to press that unlock button once. Take a look in the front first. Before we look inside, just a quick show on the side view mirror. You do have heated mirrors in this Tundra. On the top here you have your power windows and locks. On the bottom we have some storage space that runs along the entire side. This Tundra comes equipped with all-weather mats and black cloth seating. And on the bottom you have your power seating adjustment buttons. We got our key here. We're going to start this Tundra up and start on the left side of the steering wheel. Now you have these arrows here to help you cycle through any audio that's playing. You also have your volume buttons, voice recognition system, and your hands-free calling. On the right side, this cluster will help you navigate through your multi-information display. On the bottom here you have your Toyota safety sense buttons with dynamic radar cruise control and lane departure alert. If we move on to our screen here, right now we are on audio sources. You can see you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between CD, USB auxiliary, and a Bluetooth device. If we press home, on the left side it'll display any audio that's playing and a device that's connected through Bluetooth. On the right side you got your navigation map, which you can also press and set your destination. If you go into reverse, you get a nice backup camera as well. Underneath that is your climate control system. You got these nice thick sturdy dials. Next to that you have your drivetrain selector, and if we move down below that we have some storage space, and we have 3 cup holders as well as your 2 12-volt outlets, driver and passenger heated seats, and USB and auxiliary. Continuing in the back here we have all-weather mats and some more black cloth seating. The bottom of these seats do fold up. All we gotta do is pull that little handle there and they stay in place up top, and you got some storage space underneath here, and of course you do have that on both sides, and we can just pop those down by pulling on the same one. To open the back, it's as easy as just giving this handle one gentle pull, and that'll drop down for you nice and easy. In the back of this Tundra you can see never fails to give you that plenty amount of cargo space. Taking a last look at a Toyota Tundra, once again, some of those great interior features includes your driver and passenger heated seats, navigation, and Bluetooth capabilities. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.